Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today is the 5th of January and it's also the day that we pick up our keys for our apartment, which is super exciting. We're just on our way now to the estate agents to do the final signing, and inshallah we'll get the keys in like a couple of minutes. So today is Saturday. Basically we're going to spend Saturday moving in essentially. Tomorrow I'm going to start looking at schoolwork again, and then Monday is back to work for a week, and then back to Scotland inshallah. So very busy couple of days coming up, but also super exciting. It's like our first ever little place together, and yeah, look forward to showing you guys what's going on. We got the keys, we got the keys, we got the keys, we got the keys. So update, it is now 3 o'clock. We have moved in all of Farah's things and we are in the process of moving my stuff in. It's really weird like being in a new space and like seeing your old stuff in a new space, if that makes sense. But at the moment I don't have anywhere to put like my makeup and my dressing. I don't have a dressing table basically. So we might go today to see what we can find in Ikea. We'll have a look. Because like otherwise my makeup stuff is just going to be all over the floor and making a mess, and that's just not okay. We also got a bag of shopping from my mum, which was really sweet. She did a little like a wee little shop for us, breads and chickpeas and you know spices and things like that. So we have just started unpacking everything, going back now to my house to get some lunch, and then we'll carry on. This is it's an interesting process. I feel like I'm like taking it really chilled as usual, because I guess so we'll get this on today and then tomorrow we can chill out a bit more and I can like do some work and you know actually get on what I need to do, blah blah blah. And of course friends will be coming over tonight as well, so that'll be nice. Assalamu alaikum everybody. So we have moved into our new place and today we have gone to Ikea. To be honest, like alhamdulillah we managed to get a furnished apartment, like mainly fully furnished. So yeah, alhamdulillah, like our flat is mostly furnished, but we're just gonna get a few little bits, mainly like my dressing table, some storage for my makeup and stuff. And it's the first time we've gone to Ikea together, and as you can tell I'm very excited. Being at work today, so I'm like actually so tired. I look like actual rubbish, but yeah, I have to make an effort in the evenings that way, because you know no luck. How much is this? So this is what people do. They buy like a table and then they buy this on top of the dressing table. Like the cheap way of doing it. Assalamu alaikum everybody. So we are about to fly to Scotland now, inshallah. I've never flown to Scotland before. I've only like been there by car a few times, so that will be fun. We're at a car park near Luton Airport, just leaving my car here. Managed to get some pretty damage parking, like for a pretty good price. My car is just putting the luggage away. And yeah, so we are going to go for our Walima now. So busy, honestly. Like, I've just done like a week at work. So tired, so bunged up. But yeah, let's go. Hello, husband. So excited to be going back to Scotland. Tell me why these sweets are so expensive. About £3 for a bag of sweets. Like, mate, just go a supermarket. So we've arrived in Edinburgh. The flight was okay, but you know, I had the craziest. Actually, no, I think I'll wait until like you excuse me. Okay. So yeah, the flight was fine, but right at the end, I had like the craziest tooth pain ever. Like as we were landing, and it was just so bad. Like I've actually never experienced tooth pain that intense. It was like all at the back of my jaw. And then we googled it when we like landed and we were down and stuff. Basically, when you have sinus problems, sinus issues going on. Oh hey, oh, lol. When you have sinus issues going on, yeah, your teeth really hurt. So that's what happened to me. So much pain. Yeah. We're in Edinburgh now. There's a really cool lion behind me. If you can see that. And yeah, so we're here, alhamdulillah, just waiting for our lift. My husband's friend, and then I'm gonna finish off my makeup. I'm feeling more like myself now, but I'm so hungry. I really wanted to wait till we got to Dundee for some nice Dundonian munch, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh yeah. Anyway, see you in Dundee.